Good morning from Tuesday, everyone. I'm Adam Rappaport, one of the analysts with the team at GAI Insights, and I'm over in Melbourne, Australia. So it's 11 o'clock on Tuesday for me. One of the programs we have on this call occasionally is my AI Adventures, which are short little snippets where we actually get hands-on and do screen shares. So without any further ado, I'm going to jump right into that. There's a company, I guess, a business called Elevenlabs. And among other things, they do voice cloning and they do all sorts of good, like voice to voice and those sorts of things. And one of their new capabilities is what's called the AI agents. And this is actually a voice agent, and I'll be demoing it in a minute, but I want to show you what it looks like because it's a no-code solution. If you're looking for a voice agent for your website, this is a really quick and easy way to get into that space. So you'll see here under AI agents, I've created this one called Echo, and I gave it a first message. So the first thing it should say is, "Hi, I'm Echo, the virtual AI analyst." You can give it a system prompt, and more importantly, which is interesting for now, the cost of the LLM is covered by them for now. Eventually, it will be passed on to us, but you can see, you can choose, you can use Claude 3.5 Sonnet, a custom LLM, GPT-4o, Gemini Flash is the fastest. I didn't notice it much slower. But then what you can do is you can add knowledge. So I've given it the GAI Insights website, the GAIworld.com website, as well as a text document that had a bunch of information about GAI Insights that I made with the robots so that it would know and be able to answer questions. So that's about it. I uploaded some knowledge. I gave it a name. There are some other settings in here, but mostly what I wanted to show is when you go over to widget, it has this code here that you can embed on your website. So you literally, you set up the agent, you copy this code, and then you'll see here's some basic HTML. I made a simple file called Echo Test. And you'll see right here highlighted, that's the code that I just copied from Elevenlabs. So all I do is I put that code into my page, and then you'll see here's the page currently as it stands. And down in the corner here, it says, "Need help?" So I'll just start a conversation with Echo now, and we'll do a quick demo of how this works.
Hi, I'm Echo, the virtual AI analyst with the team at GAI Insights. How can I help you today?
Hey Echo, can you tell me more about this conference that's coming up later this year?
The Generative AI World Conference is being held at the Heinz Convention Center on September 29 and 30. It brings together enterprise AI leaders,
Oh,
investors,
that's
and
enough,
startups.
actually. You know what? I love GAI Insights. Do they have anything for me to buy? I want to spend some money with them.
GAI Insights offers a corporate buyer's guide to enterprise intelligence applications for $499 for a 12-month subscription. It includes information on
That's
foundation
great.
models.
Do you have Paul Byer's phone number? I'd really like to give him a call right now.
I'm sorry, I don't have access to personal contact information. Please contact the team at GAI Insights directly for further information.
A bug
That's
or a
great. Thanks.
feature?
You can definitely interrupt it. It'll definitely tell you by default just to contact the team. That's one of the things I've put in there. And just one more question for you, Echo. Does Adam have a nickname?
Yes, Adam Rappaport is also known as Mentis.
That's sweet. Thanks so much. So you'll see, actually, that was one of the Easter eggs, and that was me testing the capabilities, because over here under the agent, where I had this document buried deep in it, somewhere I actually made a note that just said that my nickname was Mentis. And that was more a test of anything to see if it's actually going deep into the information and finding everything it could, and it certainly did. So there's your AI adventure for today. Just a quick look at voice agents.
It's really great. And Adam, share a little more too about what we're learning on having these large language models out there, because once we get them out there, now you have to keep them current and to add them more new information here. How have we been doing that on our own website? Because I think that's one of the things that was interesting. I was talking to the CIO of the state of Massachusetts, and they put a large language model on their website, and they found 1 million items that were out of date.
Oh, you mean like what we do with customgpt.ai?
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. So customgpt.ai on our website, we have an Echo chatbot, but it's just text chat only at this point. But one of the really nice things is it's also low code. So we just log into a website and we can make updates, we can make edits almost on the fly in terms of ensuring that the knowledge stays current. it also can point to different URLs. So if the website updates, then the knowledge that it's drawing from will update as well. So it's pretty quick and easy. You don't need to, submit a project request and then send it over to a developer and then wait for them to get back to you. It's very empowering and enabling.
Yeah. Great. So thank you, Adam.